Welcome to this tutorial on using the editor toolbar in Wix. This tool helps you perform basic actions quickly and efficiently, making your website building experience smoother. To enable the toolbar, follow these steps. Click on the Tools option located at the top right of the editor. From the drop-down menu, select the Toolbar checkbox. The editor toolbar is a handy feature in Wix that lets you quickly copy, paste, duplicate, or delete elements on your page. You can also adjust various element settings such as size, position, and alignment. Once the toolbar is enabled, you can reposition it for your convenience. Simply drag and drop it to any location on your page. If you need more screen space or want to focus on specific elements, you can hide or show the toolbar in other editor menus. To do this, click the Hide Controls arrow at the top of the editor. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.